Hey there, this is Penelope. This is a very short video on self-composition of functions. A function is just something that you put an input into. So what this function called v means is it takes the input t, whatever it is, whatever your input is, and it adds 5. So if your input is t, then it becomes 4t plus 5. But have a look at A. A says it actually wants v of t to be the input. So we do the bit in the bracket first, but we know what that is. That is 4t plus 5. Now v says 4 times your input plus 5. Now, you could leave it like that, or you could simplify, and I think that'll be 16t plus 25. But you could leave it just as the bracketed version. And then the second part of the question says, find a triple self-composition, I suppose if that's a word. So, oops, I haven't got enough v's. 1, 2, 3, yes. So I need to just make it quite clear that that's what I've got. Okay, I could just do it from part A, but let's go back to the beginning and do it there. So the first part says v of t, which we know is 4t plus 5. And then the next one says perform v on that. So that means 4 times 4t plus 5 plus 5, because this is the input, and then v on that says 4 times your input plus 5. If you were doing a bit of a cheat and putting in the part that we already knew, then we could say that it was v on what we already know to be v of t, which was 16t plus 25, which is 4 times the input plus 5. And if you did it from this stage here, if you were careful with your brackets, you'd get exactly the same thing. So the idea is that you create your function, you turn it into words, you turn it into a description. Right? This one says 4 times input plus 5. And the self-composition means you just do it again. So v of v means you do it twice, and v of v means you're doing it 3 times. So it's just putting in an input and doing the rule, putting in an input, doing the rule. Thanks for watching.